Yo, yo. What's good? What's good? What's good? What up? What up? What up? What up? Who's out there? Who's out there? Who's out here? Scooby, Keegan Murphy, GMAT, Tony Gold, Michael Escorza, Edson, Next Trade Lou, Ali, Greg, South Cac, Coach Curtis, Kenny. Nice job, Edson. It does take some time to adjust, man. This shit ain't easy. And this fucking market just makes it even harder. Greg, David Schneider, Corey the Phone Trader, La Chaos, J Money, Big Dave, Stacks. No, I'm in the back seat of my Lexus. I'm in my second Lexus. Actually, you know what? This is my third Lexus. I'm in my third Lexus. And if I want to talk about Toyotas, I'm in my fourth Toyota. I'm in my third Lexus, yo. I got my LS 430 when I first moved out here. I then had an LX 470, which I wish I still fucking had. That shit was fun to drive. The fucking Land Cruiser truck. I had an 05 LX 470. Got rid of it. And then I recently picked up the LS 430 I'm in now because I gave my son my original LS 430 when he got his license and shit. So yeah, I'm on my third LS 430. So fucking rips. I think three old Lexuses is more impressive than 5 Ferraris. I'm just saying. Plus, like, I had like 9 fucking Volkswagens. You know? What up, Eddie? John Q. Kevin Matthews. LeBron's. I had a Camry. Uncle Mo. yo, I got 4 cars right now, bro. I got 4 cars. I got one that my wife drives, that we take to, we're all together as a family. That's what we take. It's a truck. I got my car. I gave my LS 430 to my son to drive. So that's 3. And then I got a car for my daughter when she got her license. I got 4 fucking cars, guys. Fucking don't hate on my 4 cars that 4 people in my house drive. Mwah! I got my finger all wrapped up and shit. Saris, what up? No, Greg, I've had a lot of cars over the years. I had a Scirocco. I had a Jetta. My wife had a Jetta. I got another Jetta. Shit, no, wait. I had a Scirocco. I had a Jetta. My wife had a Jetta. I got another Jetta. Then we had an Atlas. That was recently. And then I had 4 Audis. I had 2 Q7s, an S6, and an A6. So that's 9 Volkswagens. Much more impressive than fucking 5 Ferraris. We're talking like over my career of buying cars. I'm fucking 45. Rick, what up? Alfred, what's good? This is Wednesday's Lexus, yo. I'm in Wednesday's whip. Oh, this is fucking bothering me. My hand is cramping up, yo. Well, I'm gonna fix this. We're just rolling around in Lexuses, yo. We're in Lexus. Vegas is like Lexus heaven anyway. I see them everywhere. La Chaos. The ladies in it's safe. It's safe out here. Coach Curtis. 9 Volkswagens is equal to 1 Lambo. Maybe if you factor in that there 4 of them were Audis. I didn't own the Audis. I owned one of them. I owned the S6 for a little while, and I traded it in and leased the A6. Alfred needs more. Yo, Alfred's jealous of my 9 Volkswagens, yo. Ali, South Cac. Hell yeah, I'm flexing over here. Yo, I'm telling you guys, it's crazy when you're driving a fucking Scirocco. When you're driving a Scirocco, an 86 Scirocco, when it has 90 horsepower, bro, that shit was scary as fuck, man. I would hit the fucking gas and nothing would happen. Scary, bro. Carlos, what up? Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Fizz Lid, what's good? Yeah, I gotta get the pre-tariff cars. I like cars that I prefer cars that I could drive that they won't shut off on me because my social credit score is low. I gotta have the lowest social credit score on these prop firm streets. So I need cars that they can't just turn off on me because I've been a bad boy and said the wrong things. Coach Micah, what up? Nothing, bro. You didn't miss anything yet. Just getting warmed up. 2 more cars. We're gonna do lawfare. Yeah, they're gonna send the whole fucking SWAT team out. If I get too many cars, too many, right? Well, that's what Patrick said when he was streaming about that whole situation. And I'm gonna change my name. Instead of it being ZERODAYJay, it's gonna be Zero Fucks J. Hey, what up? Mario, what up? Geo Metro or Toyota Tercel? Tercel all day. I learned how to drive. I learned how to drive a manual transmission on a Tercel. Oh man, yeah, we got 71 people on here already. No doubt. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Smash that shit. All right, let me turn my screen sharing on. Let me turn that shit on. Yo, this Lexus has leather seats, guys. Leather. Real leather, guys. Fucking thing is crazy. 20 years old. 05, baby. 05. Don't sleep on my 05, son. It's my third Lexus. I need 2 more. All right. Screen sharing's on. This is what's been going on so far. It's been actually pretty fucking crazy. That's the 5-minute chart. Let me go to the 15-minute chart. Look at this shit. We're just up. We dropped. We were from the bottom here at 345. We're up. I mean, it doesn't look like a lot, but we kind of fucking been pumping. But the market's been very active. It's been going up and down, moving around a lot. Like we blew through the orb. We actually hit the top orb here, retested, blew through the bottom orb, came back, blew through the top orb, hit this pivot point, came back, retested the top orb, bounced from there, blew through this pivot point, retested the pivot point, popped. We're kind of just, now we're just hanging around this area. That's on the 15-minute. On the hourly, hasn't been bad. I feel like we could go up more. We're actually right here, which is interesting. This is where we hit our head so far. Look at this. This is like, I would say this is resistance right here, potentially. We already hit our head on these wicks. Look at that shit. Right? You see that? Mr. Bugs. GMAT. Newts. Yes, sir. What up? All right, so let me show you what I did so far on my accounts. Nothing in here yet. But I did get my flip days in on Take Profit Trader, but it wasn't without some fuckery. Yeah, I wouldn't say it was uneventful. I almost unpassed 2 of these accounts. So I had to resort to fucking trading minis. But hey, day 3 in the books. Was it day 3 or was it day 4? Day 4. Day 4 on a 50 and 225s. And I'm pretty sure I'm not well under the 50% rule, but I'm far enough under the 50% rule that no matter what, if I lose $5-10 tomorrow, it won't matter. I don't even know where I'm at there, but I know I'm under 50% now. So that's cool. I took care of that. Before I did that, Jack Boom, what up? Yeah, I mean, that's what's happening too. It is moving around a lot. But it looks a lot smoother on the bigger time frames, you know? Look at the hourly. Look at the 15-minute. Even though, I mean, it is chopping, but I don't know, it's been decent. I haven't traded in like 2 hours probably. I don't remember the last time I traded. Robert Gallus. Mr. Beg Beef. Hey, if any of you guys, T. Charles, what up? If any of you guys were looking for me last night or during the early morning or the overnight, I'm sorry. I actually got a lot of sleep for once. I mean, what was I getting? 2 hours of sleep? I haven't gotten shit for sleep, so I finally actually was like, you know what? I woke up. I did set my alarm for like 1:30, 1:45, and I got up and whatchamacallit, I said, you know what? I'm just going to go back to sleep. And that's exactly what I did. And I got a lot of sleep. So, my bad. I'll be on later tonight, though, for sure. All right, so that's that. I showed you Take Profit Trader. I showed you wealth charts. Let me show you Top Step. Remember, I just requested a payout on those 3 XFAs. They took the money out. I got day 1 in during, what's today? Wednesday. During Wednesday's trading session. I was going for day 2, and I got day 2 also, baby. Day 2 in the books on these 3. Day 2 in the books. You got the followers and the leader. Day 2 in the books. One of my goals is to be getting multiple payouts from the same funded accounts. I haven't really been doing a great job at that. I barely get to a second payout. So I'm working on that. So I came real close on these 3. Not these 3, but last month I had an XFA that I got paid on, $913, and I was 1 day away. I needed one more $200 day to get a second payout, and I couldn't get the job done. How pathetic. Sometimes just trying to get $200 could be hard, especially when you're pressing and you just want to get it over with instead of waiting for a good setup. But this is done, and this was a big move too. Like I literally was I was talking about it in the Discord. I was like, yo, look at this fucking. I played right here. I was like, oh man, 618. We got the 5-minute 21 right there, and the 618. We're gonna bounce it. We actually ended up bouncing like 60 points from there. I didn't get all of it. I didn't get nearly all of it, but I got enough of it to get my second $200 day in times 3. Oh, and then you got this other account, my 4th XFA. Day 2 on this one as well. Day 2, I'm at $744. Not a huge amount of money, but you know what? I didn't have a huge first day. I did like $500 on the first day, but hey, I'm at 744 through 2 days, and I got 2 days in. I need 3 more days of 200 or more. If I just get 3 more days of 200 or more, I'll be at what? Like $1,400, right? Because I'm not going to get exactly 200. I'll be at $1,500, and I'll be able to take 750. I don't care. If I do that times 4 accounts, if I could get the job done on these 3, let's say I do exactly $200 in the next 3 days in these 3 accounts, that'll put me at 2,200, probably, 2,200, 2,300, and I'll get $3 grand plus on these 3 accounts. So I don't care. Let it all just keep fucking piling up and adding up. Uncle Mo, that's right. Miss Goody. Alex, what up? Will I ever do giveaways for prop firms? I do giveaways all the time. Yeah, Uncle Mo just said, yep. And Uncle Mo is is a habitual super chatter. Like Uncle Mo is more generous than me, obviously. But yeah, I do giveaways on milestones. Every 500 subscribers on my channel, every 100 members in the Discord, and then anytime people hit the super chat, which happens fairly often because people are fucking awesome. Uncle Mo, you didn't have to do that, bro. Every time except for tonight. I'm going to Sizzler, baby. Woo! Uncle fucking Mo. But yeah, I give away anytime people hit the super chat. If it's enough to give away accounts, I give away accounts. Like right now, we're gonna do that tonight before I get off the stream. Yo, actually, I'm not. I'm rug pulling all of this. Hey guys, it's been fun. Thanks for popping by. I gotta go. Gotta get myself some Nikes. Uncle Mo, bro, thank you so much, man. You really didn't have to do that, dude. Uncle Mo, for real. He's not the only one, but Uncle Mo hits it the hardest by fucking a landslide. It's crazy. Ebenor, what up? So if you stick around today, Alex, you might get blessed with a free account. Uncle Mo, man, thank you, bro. Again, for the millionth time. Jonathan Trentwell, what up? Marvin, what's good? I'm fucking... Hey, I took my wife out to a nice steak dinner for her birthday on Sunday. This covers it. Thank you, Uncle Mo. It's been... hey, guys, nice knowing everybody. Nice knowing everybody. He is the go-to Super Chat. I know I'm not the only one he does it with. David Schneider. Mr. Begbeef. Rack Arnold's is tearing his family apart. Yo, you know what's crazy? I had no idea that the Winnipeg Jets were a hockey team again, and they have like the best record. It's their first year too. It's kind of like how the Knights were when the Vegas Knights put their team together. Nayo, what's up? Ebenar. Oiler fan, huh? Connor McDavid's a guy. Yeah, by the way, we're going to give away Talladega Nights plans from Fuck Them Traders. I mean, Fast Track Traders. Pandal, what's up? What's good? All right, so those are you guys saw all of my Top Step accounts. All 4 accounts have day 4. I mean, shit, I wish. All 4 accounts have day 2 locked of 5. And then I traded my Apex accounts, and look what I did here. My four remaining from the 20. Day 5 locked. Day 5 locked. I'm at $3,163 in profit. Day 5 in the books. Obviously, I'm not trading these anymore for the day. Let me just make sure I don't have any open orders. I didn't. I did this like 400 times already, but we're going to do it again. Mr. Fafo. Saris, I didn't hit the API limit. You know why? Because I didn't trade them all together. I had them in smaller groups. And 6 or 7 of them were in here. We're in wealth charts. So as far as what I have left to trade, aside from any new accounts I might get, I have this funded account I activated on Wednesday session. I got it up $900 yesterday. Wednesday, but now we're in Thursday session. And I passed this eval. I went 1 for 2 during the power hour stream, playing fucking pass or smash. So I got to activate this and trade this too. So, but I don't think I'm going to activate it now. I'm going to see what I could do. That was a nice little bounce there. When did I get on? I got on right here. Like right as this was happening, I got on. And we're up already 20 points. But yeah, it just looks good. It just keeps looking good to the upside. I just don't know how far up it's going to go. We are at some sort of resistance here. I just don't know. This is the hour. This is a 15-minute chart, actually. Even on the 15-minute chart, let me draw a happy little horizontal line. I like being horizontal. You know what I'm saying? So this is basically resistance right here. You see this white line right here, this dashed line? Cube, what up? Josh, what up? Double check that. Hold on. Let me hide my screen. Regard. 1 sec. I'm going to log into my Apex account. By the way, I'm at 499 followers on Twitter. If anybody's not following me yet and wants to follow me to be the 500th follower, here's my link. Atolman, what up? Yo, Jim Blab, what's good? Trent, what's good? Whipped cream. We're doing a whipped cream right now. I mean, a whip stream. If anybody wants to follow me, no, Jonathan Trentwell, it's max payout or bust. That's it. I'm sorry, guys. That's how it's going to be. That's how it is. I can't do it. I'm not doing it any other way. I don't really care. I just got $3,200 from Top Step. I'm okay. I'm tired of fucking getting small payouts from Apex. Oh, nice, Lou. Thank you, bro. Jonathan. It's not 5, Josh. It's 4. It's 4, bro. PA charts. All right, 1 second. Let me turn my screen back on. All right. Let's see. What was my biggest day? Look, it's been pretty linear. Look at that. 821, 420. Well, that's not the same. 820, 420, 563, 735. And today is 622. Maybe I will. I feel like it is kind of hard to get followers on Twitter. How long have I been pushing my Twitter for? I mean, my X. Sorry, guys. X. 505. Oh, shit. $505. Thanks, guys. I'll follow you all after the stream. I'll follow all you guys back. I promise. What the fuck is that? All right. What was I going to say? Anyway. Yeah, maybe I will. I feel like I got to do it for the Twitter peeps, but whatever. I don't know if any of them are watching anyway. Any more? 505. All right, so let's see what's going on here. So we're at this area of resistance right here. How strong is it? This is on the 15-minute chart. And then if I go to the hourly chart, it's look at that on the 4, 5. It's not that big of a zone, but look. I wonder if I load like an RSI zone or something. If I turn on RSI, the RSI indicator, if that would show up, or like what's the other one? Lux Algo, it would make this like some sort of support and resistance area. Right here. Like this and that, like that these two spots right here. I'm just curious. We are in this, you see this descending wedge? I know a lot of times if you break out of a descending wedge, it goes up. So what if we just chop around here? We hit this and then we eventually break out. We could keep going up. But who knows? Because, you know, Trump could say something about China or whatever, and it kind of throws everything out of whack. But look at this on the hourly. Even though we wicked below this pivot point, we wicked pretty far below it. 100 points below it, but that's besides the point. The body of the candle is right at this pivot point. It's interesting. The high of yesterday's high is 300 points away. Where am I streaming from? A park called Ed Fountain. Ed Fountain Park in Las Vegas, because my son's at soccer. My son's training with his club team. He's actually right on this field in front of me. I just don't see him. Watch, I'll show you. I don't know if you guys can see this. You see the field right there? I don't know if you can see it. But that's actually his team. They might be two. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, they're discriminating against each other. Neo, let somebody fucking come here. I dare anybody to come see me right now. Anybody. Coach Fred. I can tell you one thing. I got the only LS430 in the parking lot, probably. Coach HID, what's good? I'm not worried. It's not like I'm here with my wife and kids. I'm here with my one son. And there's 30 of them, and they're all 17 and 18 years old. And I'm not worried anyway. Anyway, let's see what's going on here. But you're right, Nao. You are right. Treetop, what's good? Crankberry. Treetop. Twist it. Twist it. Grab his dick and twist it. Oh yeah, Nao. You know how many there's a couple of loonies that come on my stream. They create account after account after account. Yeah, this finger right here. It's in, I can still close a fist. What are we doing here? It's kind of like moving slow. I do want to, man, that was the spot. Look at that bounce right off the 200. That's the 200 EMA right there. We're up 50 points from that. And look, you see this? It bounced here. It's in the like an equal low from here. And you got all this support right here that we bounced off of. This chop right here became support. Amazing how that happens. Obviously, you could have blown through it and went all the way down even more. But, I mean, it's just funny. It just happens like that a lot. Kenny. Yeah. Yo. Double animal style. With chopped chilies and no pickles. Sign me up. Josh Jagasart, 8K. It was over 13K. It's gone. It went bye-bye. Crank. Yeah, that was a while ago. I haven't shown it in a while. I can tell you one thing. You know, I'm not, you know, whatever. I don't even want to go there. I would never want that to happen. I would hate for something to happen to the other person. What up, Matthew? Simon, what's good? Coach Fred. This shit just keeps going up. So now, like, look. But look what happened here. It hit it here. You see that? It hit it and rejected. It went down from 511, let's say, right down to the pivot point. It went down 55 points. Rejected off of that area of resistance. Bounced off the pivot point, and now it's up a little higher than it now. It kind of was riding along it. It got through. Now you got this other area right here. It's like the top of that little zone that these candles, like on the hourly, it's more pronounced. That's the 5 minute. You see that like here on the 15? I mean, it could blow right through it. Obviously, it's not that much, but it could be enough for it to make it pull back again and maybe retest the upper the VWAP band. But you never know. This could be another area right here. But what am I going to do? Draw 400 lines on the chart? Look, you see this? You got the bottom of these candles. You got the top of these candles. They're pretty much in the same. They're right about in the same spot. Lots of potential areas of resistance, at least temporary resistance if this thing just wants to go up. But I don't know. It's moving really slow right now. What up, Mitch? Yep, soccer practice. Quaram, what up? Shorts are getting molested. Molested. Thank you, Simon, and great job, bro. Thank you for not messing around. Wait until you get a decision, especially if it's Apex. It just ain't right. What up? Mwah! I'm waiting for an opportunity to trade this PA, but I think it's come and gone. I mean, we're up from this little area of chop. We bounced what? 28 points. Yeah, there's not going to be a lot of volume tomorrow. Just expect some random there's going to be just random algo bullshit that happens a lot tomorrow, I would say. But we do have some stuff going on tomorrow. You got basically the European refinancing rate and monetary policy statement. That's basically like FOMC. So you got like an FOMC meeting going on here, a conference, and then you got the actual press conference talking about this half hour later at 8:45 in the morning Eastern. You also have unemployment claims in the U.S. You got some Philly Fed manufacturing index. I don't know how much that moves it. And you got German PPI at 2:00 in the morning. Bank of England credit conditions survey. I don't know what that is. What the hell is German Bubba? It's probably not. It's BUBA. But yeah, what is that? I say this could move it around a little bit. These are all stacked on top of each other. The European monetary policy stuff and financing rate, and then unemployment claims. So that could be where all the action is. And then I don't know what's going to happen the rest of the day. But I'll be streaming. I'll be streaming for Power Hour without a doubt, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. We'll close out the week strong going into Easter. I'm kind of annoyed that the market's closed on Friday, obviously, because I want to stream. I might anyway. I might just for shits and giggles. I don't really know what I'll be doing. But I'll teach you guys how to guess. I'll teach you guys how to be good guessers. Yeah, the market's completely closed. When it closes tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern, it's closed until Sunday night. I believe so. Yeah, I think everything, bro. Complex trade Bitcoin. Yeah, Rick, I did see that. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. All right, so look. We almost hit this. It's not really, I don't really consider this anything really strong, but I don't know. I don't really feel like longs is the right play to right here. You know, there'll be another opportunity to go long. Looking great, right? I'm green all in these 4 accounts. They're looking fucking lovely. I got my flip days in here. All 4 of my XFAs have day 4, day 2. Damn, I keep saying day 4. Fuck me. Day 2 locked, right? All of my XFAs have day 2 locked. All I have left to trade are these 2 accounts. Like, I want to trade. I'm not even going to activate this one yet. I have to activate this. I want to trade this account, but I'm not going to force it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not just going to take a trade just to trade, as much as I would love to trade for you guys, right? Because a lot of the reason why a lot of you guys come here is because you like to watch me trade like a degenerate. You know, but the bigger benefit I see is that we all get to hang out. Everybody's hanging out right now. Micah, what up? Complex. Hey, Coach Fred, yeah. Hey, guys. You see, guys? Hey, guys, you see? We bounced off the 618 here, guys. Look what happened, guys. Okay? It's easy, guys. You see, guys? I think it's Trading Wars. Rick, you like to watch me earn payouts? Thanks, man. Listen, like if I could get to payouts, obviously I need to clean up some stuff, right? I'm not this great trader. I'm not the most profitable streamer you'll come across. Not yet. Probably never, not ever. At some point, I'll be super profitable. Overall, I will be extremely profitable overall, right? In due time. I'm not the best trader on YouTube. I might be the best at bringing people together, though. And it's evidenced by the best fucking Discord on these prop from streets. We have the best community on these prop from streets. Every time I stream, everybody's hanging out. We're all super chill, right? We're all homies at this point. Sean, what up? That's all right, Micah. It's all right. Good things come to those who wait. You're getting payouts. What's up, Robin? Am I profitable in 2025, Micah? I don't think so, to be honest with you, because of how much I fucked up with Apex. So many fuck ups. I can tell you one thing. I'm profitable with Top Step. Just in the last 30 days, the last 34 days, I spent like 2,500 on Top Step accounts, and I got back 7,980. And I'm 3 days away. I'm $200 $200 days away in 4 accounts. That could be another $4,000 right there. So, you know, I don't know. If I'd be lying if I said I was super profitable this year. I don't think I am. February was really bad for me. March was pretty good. February was awful. February was like I could have easily have made 15 to 20 grand in February, and I only walked away with 1850. March was good. I did over 9,000. January was great. I did 11,900. This month I'm at 5,200. The highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate. That's right, Michael. I have the best code on these prop firm streets. That's the other thing. The best community, but the best code. Peace Shenanigan, what up? What up, clone? Take it. Take it, bro. Take the money. Take the money. You don't know what's going to happen. Look, you said, should I take it or should I go for a big winning day? What makes you so sure that you're going to have a big winning day? Can you guarantee it? I'm not saying you're not capable of it, but anything could happen. And then the last thing I want is for you to come on here. The last thing I want is for you to come on and say, come and hang out, right? And you tell me, yeah, Jay, I should have taken the payout because I tried to go for that big day and I blew the account. That's the last thing I ever want to hear. $700 isn't anything to slouch at. $700 is good. That pays for accounts. It's going to get some of your tuition back. I don't know where you're at, bro. $700 is $700. Take the money, dude. Don't trade that account anymore. Take the money. Why? I'm not. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. I told you, it's different. It's different with Apex. Top Step is a completely different animal. When I get to day 8, wherever I'm at, I'll take it. If I get to day 8. Yo, listen, I took whatever was available. I got my 5 days in with Top Step. I got my 5 required days in with Top Step. I took whatever was available. I'm telling you, I'm not doing it with Apex. It's max payout or bust. I'm fucking tired. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of these little fucking, I'm tired of this shit. I'm tired of $514. I'm tired of $595. I'm tired of $925. I'm tired of $951. Sorry, guys. Exactly. I'm going to do what I'm going to do. Just like Manny being Manny. All I'm saying, if someone has to ask, right? If you're asking, then you know the answer already. He asked me. He said, I'm not asking myself. I am not asking myself what I should do. My mind is already made up. He asked me, he said, yeah, your new drawdown will be $700. Okay. So what? He asked me, if you have to ask me if you should take a payout because this is where you're at, or should I keep trying to grow it? If you have to ask me, then you already know the answer. I'm not asking you guys what I should do. I'm not asking you guys what I should do. If I was asking you guys what I should do, then I 100%, 1,000,000%, I should just stop trading these accounts and just flip the next 3 days. Without a doubt. Look at that. Hey, clone. That a boy. Yeah, whatever. You guys have no faith in me. And it's my fault. You guys don't have to think I'm going to get the job done. I don't care. I really don't give a fuck. Markel. Yeah, me too. I've done it before. I'll do it again. Just remember, I'm not asking you guys what I think I should do. Then I would know what I need to do. Anything can happen, exactly. Fuck yeah, eh? Great job. Exactly, bro. And even if anybody didn't think I could do it, I don't fucking care. Great job. Micah, the 6K I had in the bag. That was a complete fuck up on my part. The 10K I did not have in the bag, bro. I had to make another $383. It doesn't matter what the account balance was. I had to make 383 no matter what in 2 days. In minimum 2 days. I couldn't get the job done. Not only could I not get the job done, I got frustrated and I blew the accounts. I could have purposely lost money. I chose not to. I guess, what am I supposed to do? Look back and say hindsight? Too bad. I didn't do it. That's it. It's water under the bridge. I could have purposely lost money on Friday, and looking back, maybe that would have been the better play. But oh well, it didn't happen. Look at that, David. Great job, man. Apex doesn't pay their traders. Apex doesn't pay their traders. How do you flip, Markel? You just literally enter and exit a trade. I'm not going to do it here. You enter and exit. You could do it in micros. You hop in and you hop out. You mark it in, you mark it out. That's how you flip. It's crazy. Hey, at least you didn't go and charge them back because you got denied your payout request. At least you just said, hey, I'll just trade clean for another 8 days. I'll just trade clean for another 8 days and request again and get paid. Elemental, what up, kid? Yeah, Nathaniel Jones. It looked like it's quieted down quite a bit. Mitch, what up? Yo, T. Cooper. Look what's happening right now. It didn't quite hit that level, but look, I don't know, is this going to be support now or is it going to give it up? You got this candle, the bottom of this candle. You got this wick right here. Very interesting. Anything could happen here. Let's see. It's just moving so slow. It was moving so much faster earlier. It's always during this time like it's so slow, and I'm doing the whip stream. Yeah, Markel. Yeah, that's all you got to do. That's a flip. Do it with micros. I just don't know if it's gonna bounce here. You got the 34 right there too. The 34 EMA. Let me get the. Oh yeah, I can't fuck these up. I'm in the wrong account on purpose. Is it gonna bounce off of here? Is this gonna bounce here, or are we gonna dump? Oh, it always does, Rick. It always does, yo. It literally will move 50 points in either direction or both directions while I'm driving home. It happens all the time. No, Markel, don't do ZMB. Do it on like NQ, or do it on ES because the ES doesn't move as crazily. Do it on the NQ or ES. ZMB or ZBM, I mean. ZBM is the one you want to do when you want to lose money on purpose because it's easier to lose money on purpose with ZBM. It's like $35 a round trip. You see that? Yo. Oh, man. Yo, good thing I didn't go long there. I thought about it. I just literally said, is it going to dump here? Man. Dude, I mean, that's it. 20. We just dropped 20-something points. Markel, no problem. Yeah, you do ZBM. You do ZBM when you need to lose money on purpose. Like if you let's say you're dealing with a consistency rule issue, like take profit trader. Take profit trader, for example, that's a perfect example. You're up too much on because they have the 50% consistency rule on the test account side, and you need to lose like $140. Just get in and out of ZBMs. I think, you know what it is, Scooby? I don't know if ZBM is open all day. It does work. Am I done with my fund the futures? No, I'm waiting on some rebills to come through. I'm waiting on some rebills. I kind of want to wait on a deal for like the starter accounts. They're doing 40% off right now. Not starter though. It's 40% off either type of eval or live account. And then 5% off everything else, including resets, when you use the best code ZERODAYJay. Yeah, I'm not sure what time. I think it's time restricted, Scooby. I'm not 100% sure, though. Let me drop my link. What are we doing here? Let me look at this chart. Look at that. Look at that. It's out of that zone. Look, it rejected off of this area. I'm just saying, guys, it's just moving too slow for me to like. I don't like when it moves slow like this. I don't have the patience. I wish it was moving faster. But here's the deal I was talking about. Yeah, they are. The one that you have to pass the 50K twice is $119. I guess it's not terrible, but I don't know. I just like the starter accounts better. I like the starter accounts the most. That's my favorite type of account. Here's my link if you guys want to check out what they have. If you put my code in, you could save 5% on everything else. So you could get a starter account for $92.15, putting in the best code ZERODAYJay, and there's no activation fee when you pass. There's no activation fee on any of the evals. Expert, starter, starter plus. So you're all in with whatever you pay up front. Take Profit Trader still doing 30% off any size account with no activation fee when you use the best code ZERODAYJay. The Happy Meal of prop accounts. Here's my link for that. Apex is 80% off right now. Any size eval. The big accounts, the 150s, 250s, and 300s are $60. A little less when you put in the best code. I still like the 50Ks the most. What else? Oh, bulenox is 83% off option 1. 83% off option 1. It might be 50Ks or bigger though. 83%. That's pretty good for bulenox. I don't know. David Schneider, I'm not sure, bro. It's been going on since the beginning of last month, so they haven't said anything about it when it's ending. They might go until the end of the month. I don't know. Usually they start sending out emails like when it's getting closer to ending, they'll tell you it's ending soon, and then a couple emails later they'll be like, all right, it's ending on such and such a date. But that hasn't happened yet. And I think it's 40% off trade day. I think it's still 40% off trade day. 40% off trade day. Using the best code, any type of account, intraday. You could get an intraday 50K for $75 from trade day. Look at this thing drop. Look. Nice little drop. I don't think it's done. I don't think it's finished. Best code for all of these is ZERODAYJay. If you want to support the channel, that's how you can. If you want to support it further, obviously you guys hanging out right now is support, and I appreciate it. Thank you for hanging out with me. You could be doing anything right now. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. Like, this is moving so slow. Maybe I'll just wait to trade this for later. I don't know. Like, there's nothing's really like we rejected there. It was a good spot maybe to take a short, but it could have popped. There's not a lot of volume right now, so like anything could happen. I don't trust it. I don't trust any of it. What up, Trader Slava? I'm not going anywhere. I'm just sitting in the parking lot. Waiting for my son to finish practicing with his team. All the links, all over your faces. Habitual link dropper. Findy's looking for the biggest, the largest, the bestest. Tomorrow's OPEX too. So we got OPEX and it's the last day of the week. Because Friday there's no whatchamacallit. Are these guys done already? No, they can't be done already. All right, let's give away an account. Let's give away an account of 2 or 3. Let me take this wrap off so I can work more efficiently. Oh yeah. Oh, I gotta straighten this thing back out. Are they really done already? There's no way they're done already. Anyway, Maximus, Joe, Yeah, yeah, I know. Yeah, T Cooper, I know what it is, bro. Oh, you were asking other guys. Yeah, OPEX options expiring. The monthlies are expiring. Obviously, the weeklies are expiring too. Monthlies, weeklies, but it's bigger because it's monthlies. That makes it more a little. It'll add some volatility. He plays soccer. It's probably his last year. He's gonna do it like organized. I mean, he might join a league or something, but I don't know if he wants to do it. I don't know if he wants to do it like for college and stuff. Are they really done? They can't be done already. Anyway, what up, South Tribe? Here's what we're gonna do. All right, pick a number between 1 and 77. One number, one time. What up, Mike fam? Yeah, stop watching little kids. Actually, I prefer 17-year-old boys because they're on the you could play tummy sticks. 1 to 77. And I was joking, YouTube. It was a fucking joke. 1 to 77, one time, please, guys. One number, one time. I'm going by the first number. And we have Uncle Mo to thank for this. Uncle Mo. 1 to 77. I'm just taking screenshots. Actually, I'm going to put it in the Discord. Make it easier for me. That's here. Bangers. This shit's chopping anyway. I mean, that was my one opportunity. That was pretty much my one opportunity, I think, at least for the stream. Whoops. I mean, it's kind of bouncing right now, but I don't know. Like, you know what I'm saying? I did so much good work. Why force anything? I already done a ton of good work. Rob Moores, what's good, man? What's good, Rob Moores? Everybody got their numbers in? One to 77, one number, one time. Cone Killer, no one Rilla. Jay Jackson, not a trader. Short bus. Yeah, you good. 1 to 77. Jay Jackson, 1 to 77. We'll let that first number slide because it's not in the range. Put a new number in, bro. There you go. Patrick H. I did, man. Oh, look, it bounced. Shit. I did. I slept. Uncle Mo. I slept last night like a baby. I got a lot of sleep. You know who I forgot to reply to? Top Step. They want me to be on next when do they want me on? Well, I'm gonna be on Top Step TV next week. Next Tuesday. I told them, I said, I'll see you next Tuesday. 10 a.m. Oh my God, I gotta wake up so early. That's 8 a.m. for me. 8 a.m. I'm replying right now. Need some air. All right, cool. Anyway, everybody get their numbers in? Yeah, that's what I told them. Stoner with a boner, what up? Look at that bounce. That was nice. Wow, that was like a nice 13 points. I would have loved 13 points. I'm in Nevada. I'm in Vegas. All right, let me see it. I got everybody here. Let me just make sure I got everybody, and we're going to do this real quick. I don't think so, Coach Fred. I don't think I'm going to be solo. I feel like they're going to be putting me and Cove on together at the same time because they know we're best friends. Camille, thank you. It's gone, bro. It's gone. I'm just hiding it, guys. I only traded off stream. Here, Rob Moores. I make room. That I'm about tapped out in terms of how much bandwidth I have available to me. But man, yeah, Vinny Lee, the chat loves the Jerky Boys. They call us the Jerky Boys. I just think that like I love going on with it because we're homies, right? So we're just hanging out. But like at the same time, I feel like they shouldn't do it. Like they should split us up too, and then once in a while bring us together because they could get more out of us if they split us up. You know. Anyway. Yeah, Mike Pham, suit and tie with glasses. I'm going to wear a tuxedo. All right, I think I got everybody in. We got everybody? What up, Cali boy? All right. Let's go. And thank you, Camille, for the super chat. I appreciate it. I'm going to put it in the Sizzler fund. Trader Slava. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you to everyone. Uncle Mo, Camille, Trader Slava. Thank you, guys. A tuxedo shirt. The first time I came on, I had my Wu-Tang shirt on. I had to keep it real to get this shit going. Thank you, guys. All right. Let's fucking do this. Since I'm not going to... The trade's not happening. It's just moving way too slow for my liking. All right. You guys will have your choice of a 25K take profit trader, any size Apex, or a 50K starter My Fund the Futures account. Your choice. Or 50K. You know what? Any size take profit trader, any size Apex, a 50K bulenox, or a 50K My Fund the Futures starter account. Okay. 1 to 77. Good luck, everybody. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. Number 8. Who had number 8? Let me go to the Discord. Let's check in the Discord. Number 8. Are you guys serious right now? Oh, my God. You guys had one job. You guys had one job. One job. Let me just double check. Oh, my God. Miss Goody, I got you. One fucking job. All right, let's go. Let's do it again. Three, two, one. Good luck. 51. Please tell me someone had 51. Yuka, and Fire Dream, I got you for the next one. I think Trader Slav is already in there, but I got you, bro. Come on, guys. Eminem, I got you. Yeah, I got you. I got you. Armando, what's up, man? Caden, what's good? Stream's going. You guys can't seem to pick the right fucking number, but other than that, everything's going great. I love talking shit during the giveaway. It's the best. I feel like the next number is going to have like 3 winners, though. All right. I got you guys. I dropped in numbers just now. I'm just taking more screenshots here. Obviously, I'm going by the first number. The first number. Remember that. Yeah, Yoshi, I got you, bro. I got you. It's fucking funny. All right. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. Number 40. Fire Dream, please tell me that's your first number. Fire Dream, I see a 40. Please tell me that's your first number, bro. Nope, it doesn't look like it's your first number. Let's see. You put 400 numbers in. We go by the first number. Nope. Bro, see what you did there? You had to fuck around and put in 100 numbers. Look what you did to yourself. You ungiveaway. You unwon. You unwon. Just like I've unpassed accounts or unpaid myself, you unwon. Oh, come on, bro. It's always the first number. you hit the max drawdown on picking numbers, bro. Oh my God. Micah trades. Yeah, we got the police out here. We got the number police, so you can't fuck around. It'd be cool if somebody would actually win, though. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. 45. Let's see. Do I see it? Do I see one? John Henry. Are you sure it's your first number, though, John? I know you put in, hook me up, I'll give you 10%. Is it your first number? Believe me, I don't want to not give away. Oh, shit, it was your first number. No fuck. Hey, John Henry, congratulations. Even though you spam the shit out of the chat with 400 numbers, 45 is your first number. You did win. We finally have a winner. Congratulations to John Henry. Oh my God. That's his first number, though. All right. You gotta, well, we're gonna do another one. We're gonna give away 2 more accounts. Just make sure, John, if you're in the Discord, if you're not in the Discord, make sure you join, because what you're gonna have to do is grab an account. You have your choice of 25K, take profit trade. If you want to get a 50K and pay a little extra, because I'm going to give you enough for the 25K, it's like it'll cost you $14 out of pocket. A lot of people have done that. 25K take profit trader, 50K starter, my fund the futures, any size Apex, and a 50K 50K bulenox. Your choice of any of those with using the best code. Send a screenshot of your receipt, your proof of payment, and how you want to get paid. Zelle, Cash App, PayPal, and we'll square up. But you got to join the Discord and hit me up. Let's go. One more time. Well, maybe 2. We'll see how many people win this one. Congratulations, John Henry. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. 51 again. How? All right. Yeah, I did see a 50. Yeah, that's crazy. What are the chances out of 77 numbers? 3, 2, 1. Good luck. Number 4. It's rigged, La Chaos. Anybody have number 4? You would think, oh, Cone Killer had 5. You would think someone would have like a kid or their birthday's like on a 4 or something like that. But no. Nope. That just ain't right. It's like playing Pass the Smash. Sometimes I'll go like 3 for 5. Sometimes I'll go 0 for 7. Sometimes I'll go 2 for 7. You guys are like 1 for 6 right now. Three, 2, 1. Good luck. 24. Oh, Tommy. Tommy, damn, you should have put your number in. Not Firetream. That's not how it works, bro. That's not how it works, man. 24. Who had 24? What up, investors? 27, 22, 25. You guys are fucking killing me. 26. Come on. That's, oh, wow. Look at that bounce. Fuck. Well, we got through it. We did reject all of it. Damn it. If you guys would have actually been better at winning, maybe I could have jumped in. Just kidding, obviously. Refresh, refresh, refresh. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. What the fuck? This is fucked up. What up, Treetop? QO Bill, what's good? That's 3 times. You guys, I'm telling you, if we had 51, you guys would be like millionaires right now. Nobody had 51. Not a single person had 51. I've never seen that happen like that before. It's rigged. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. Number 15, please. Tell me, please. Which is the opposite of 51. You guys. You know what? I'm shutting down the studio. I'm going to rug pull whoever. I'm rug pulling Patrick Henry. Screw this. Those don't count, obviously, because I didn't say 3, 2, 1, good luck. 3, 2, 1, good luck. 34. 34. 35. 36. Findy James, please tell me that's your first number. Are you here? Oh, next trade, Lou. Is that your first number? Please tell me that's your first number, bro. Please tell me. I'm looking right now. I'm looking right now. Yo, it is. Yo. Next trade, Lou. Is Findy here? Where's Findy at? Let me double check real quick. I believe you, but I have to double check or else the number police will come at me. I don't know where AS is. AS is like the sheriff of the numbers department. I see Mike is keeping track too. All right, Findy James and next trade Lou. Congratulations. And Patrick Henry. Findy, James, and Patrick Henry. Oh, I already. And next trade Lou. You guys know what to do. Ha, Findy. Yep. Treat it like you really paid for it. You know why? Because I'm going to rug pull you. I'm going to delete my Discord and everything. You guys are never going to see that money. Yo, congratulations, guys. And thank you. Thank you to Uncle Mo, Trader Slava, and Camille for hitting that super chat. Really appreciate it. So that's it for the giveaway, guys. Congratulations to the winners. What else are we going to do here? What are you guys going to get? You guys know what you want to get? I'm leaning towards people just going to take Profit Trader because that's what everybody always ends up doing. You guys know what you're going to get? Oh, John Henry. My bad. John Henry. My bad. My bad. My bad. He threw me off because of the 400 numbers he put in. Oh, it's your birthday, Life with 12 Dogs? Hey, everybody pound that confetti like roast beef for Life with 12 Dogs. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Matthew. Happening, Matthew Van Zant. It's something to do with the device you're using. So if you're trying it from your phone, try it on your computer. If you're trying it on your computer, try it from your phone. It's some weird shit that happens with Discord links. Hell yeah. Happy birthday. Findy James, Apex, any size. 50K bulenox, 25K take profit trader. But if you want to get a bigger one, you can. I'll just, I'll cover. You just have to pay the difference. I'll cover the 105 or a 50K starter My Funded Futures account. All right, cool, John. I got you, bro. Obviously, I'll square up with you guys when I get home or later on tonight or something. Because I'm about to drive home and shit. I don't know. They're still practicing. Let's see if I can take a trade. Congrats, everybody. Here's the Discord link again if you want to join. But yeah, Matthew Van Zandt, it's happened to other people before. The link is this is an active link. It works. It just sometimes it won't work on a certain device for whatever reason. It's a Discord thing. Thanks to everyone who unpassed their giveaways. Yeah. That's fucking funny. Be good, Sean. I'm gonna hang out for a little bit. I'm not done because the practice hasn't ended yet. So I usually go until I wasn't sure if it was going to end. I wanted to do the giveaway before he came out here because like when he gets here, holy shit, it's still going up. Look at that bounce, 40 points. So we bounced off. I didn't even realize that we bounced off. I don't trust this shit. You know what I mean? Like this, it could have dropped all the way down even further. It bounced off of 500. That's what it bounced off of. Go figure. We're up. We went up 40 points. Oh, John, that's awesome, man. That's awesome. You got lucky. Usually people who spam the shit out of the chat with different numbers end up not winning. All right, what are we doing now? Interesting. Oh, look. Look what we just hit. We hit the top of this channel. We hit the top of this channel, the fractal on this channel. Are we going to go? I mean, if we go at it, I mean, this thing's probably going to keep going up, but I'm a sucker for a good reversal. Marco, what's up, man? Oh, you see, all right, cool, Matthew. But now, once you're in now, though, you could, whatever device, it's just that whatever it is with the invite link, I don't know why the fuck it happens, but it happens. But now you're in. Let me just make sure you guys are like, assigned. Yep, you guys. Yep, I see you guys. Nice. We got 1,217 people. Very cool. Just know when we get to 1,300, we'll do another giveaway. Regardless of, whatever else is going on. Jim Blob. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm just looking here. I'm kind of pissed I missed out on this move. I don't know. The drop was a good play, and the bounce, man, look at that. But whatever, I'll just wait for another setup. The shit just moves real slow. It's moving real slow, and I don't like that, personally. Especially when I know I'm going to have to bounce soon. I don't want to be stuck in a trade, and then I got to drive. So it worked out better, I guess. What's gold doing? Is gold just still pumping? Fucking gold, man. Oh my God. I love gold. Look at this shit. Watch this. That's the futures price. Look at the spot price. Like if you were to buy gold, if you were to buy gold right now, it would cost you this plus a premium for an ounce. Crazy. This shit was at 33.50. The more all this crazy uncertainty happens, the more gold is going to go up. I don't know what this wants to do. It's just moving so slow. See, like his practice was supposed to go until 9 o'clock. That's what it said. They're going to go until the lights turn off. I know it. That's why I was like, let's do the giveaway now. Yeah, Joe. Yeah, they sold those bars were gone in 60 seconds. I just remember I bought a bunch of gold at like 1900 and thought I was paying a lot. Just crazy what's going on. Jeffrey, what up, man? Treating me beautifully. I'm green everywhere I traded. Off stream, of course. I only I only do it. I only win off stream. That's just a joke in case anybody knows. I don't know if anyone knows the reference. I did it all off stream. But here's my 4 Apex accounts. Four funded accounts in here, up 622. I'm at 3,163 in profit. Day 5 locked. I had to flip. I got my 4th day in. I needed to flip today and take profit trader for these 3 past accounts. Did that. It didn't come easy. I almost unpassed a couple. I went down a few $100 in one of the 25Ks, like an idiot, but whatever. We made it work. So day 4 is locked on these. I did not get to trade. I wanted to trade this account on the stream, this 267, but I missed a couple of opportunities here, and it's okay. I also missed this run up too because I literally got on the stream right about here. I mean, I got on the stream right here. I mean, we went up 50 plus points, but look how long it took. An hour and a half to go up 50 points. That's not very exciting. So like sometimes those slow motion moves, like I kind of pass on them or sleep on them because it's moving so slow. And the next thing you know, an hour and a half later, we're up 50 points, but whatever. And then in my top step accounts, I got all 4 of my XFAs up over $200, and day 2 is locked on all 4 of them. These are the 3 I got paid on already. And I'm working. I want to see if I could get another payout. I need 3 more days of 200 or more, and I could get another payout. So we'll see how that goes. And then this one's a newer one. This is the one I passed yesterday on Top Step TV. I did get my 2nd day in. So we're just, I shouldn't trade for the rest of the day just because of how good everything else is going. Oh, all right, cool. Oh, my son's done. All right, guys. Well, my time is up here. So thank you so much for hanging out. It's been a pleasure. Franny, what's up? Yeah, I gotta hide. Yeah, Franny, I gotta hide those account numbers. Yeah, Nathaniel Jones, it ain't terrible. It's $85 a month for a funded account on Wealth Charts. It's not terrible. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna bounce. Blue Horseshoe. Yep, I live in my car. It's called a WHIPSTREAM for a reason. But yeah, I gotta bounce. J-Dog, ZERODAYJay Jr. just finished soccer. It's time for me to go home. So I'm sure the big as soon as I start driving. That's Keegan. Hello. Trader Slav and Camille, thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys soon. I'll be on later for London. Hopefully, I'll see you guys then. I'll be on for Power Hour as well, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. So come look for me. Smash the like button on your way out. Subscribe to the channel, all that good shit. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.